Hello, I'm Ben Lessaf, the General Manager of RecTech Grills, and in this video we're going to be going over some of the features and benefits of your Wi-Pellet WiFi temperature controller for your RecTech. Joining me today is Mr. Jody Flanagan.
That's right, guys. Stick around and we're going to show you how to use the most accurate and advanced controller out there on the market. The offset feature is completely unique to RecTech. You will not find this feature in any other pellet grill controller.
What the offset feature does is gives you the ability to customize the algorithm inside your controller to read any other thermometers that you may want to use. You can do this with your grill on or off, and what we would recommend is to put your grill at 250 degrees, put your thermometer at the very center of the grate with no food so that we minimize variables, and let's say, for example, your thermometer read 225 after 1 hour and the RecTech said 250. So the math on that's very simple. We want the grill to lose 10 percentage points to get down to 225. So you would change your offset to -10, and you would hold your settings button, and if the grill was on, it would go back to its live screen. Since it's off, it simply goes blank.
And vice versa. With the grill set at 250 degrees and your trusted thermometer reading 275, you would want to go up 10 percentage points.
Thank you everyone for watching, and remember, if you have any questions at all, give us a call at the number on the screen.
Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, and YouTube.
Take care.